Hi, good evening everyone. My name is S. Vishnuvardhan, Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic, Guddepalli. My subject is Manufacturing Technology. 305 for C16 and C18 also. Third semester for diploma candidates. Today, my topic is sweeper, slaughter, planer, broaching, mission. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to identify a slotting mission, know its working principle, list the classification of slaughter. Interaction. We are going to learn about one more mission. Can you guess it? That is the slotting mission. This is a slotting mission. First, we learn in these main components: base, column, ram, tool, rotary table, cross slide and slide. Firstly, working principle of slaughter. A mission which produces flat surfaces, ram holding the tool reciprocates. Ram reciprocates in vertical direction. Work is fed perpendicular to the tool. In this mission, first we will learn working principle of slaughter mission. In slaughter mission, it is a reciprocating type mission in which ram holding the tool reciprocates. Reciprocates means it is a reciprocates type in vertical axis, means cutting tool moves in vertical direction. It can be moves in up and down direction. That is called reciprocates direction. And the work is supported on a rotary table. Work is supported on a rotary table, which is mounted on the carriage. It has a rotary table to working operation for producing a different, means a number of workpieces can be operated because it has a rotary table. The cutting motion is produced by the reciprocating movement of the vertical ram. The rotary and longitudinal movements of table permit the workpiece to be positioned and feed for straight line and rotary cuts. It is usually adopted for machining holes, keyways and grooves. In these types of slaughter, according to the design and purpose, the slaughters are divided into two types. One is the punch slaughter and second one is the precision slaughter. Precision slaughter. First one, punch slaughter. The ram of punch slaughter is driven by rack and spiral pinion mechanism. It is heavy and a rigid mission. Rigid means it is a strong mission to control the vibrations, and it is a heavy mission, means it occupies floor space area. It is used for machining large castings and forgings. And precision slaughter mission, second one, Precision slaughter mission is light in construction. It is usually fitted with a quick return mechanism. It is used for taking light cuts, giving accurate finish. Slaughter working principle. Just a minute. Plan diagram of slaughter. A slaughter is similar in construction as a vertical shaper, except that ram of slaughter have only vertical movement, whereas in vertical shaper the ram can be adjusted up to 10 degrees from its vertical position. A slaughter is a more robust mission and has the following parts. First one is the base or bed, second one is column, third one is rotary table, fourth one saddle, fifth one cross slide, sixth one ram, seventh one drive mechanism and feed mechanism. First one, base or bed. Generally it is made of cast iron or grey cast iron. It is a heavy casting rigidly built to take up cutting forces and to support to the other parts of the mission. Means its base is supported to the column and work table. On the top of the bed, guideways are accurate finished on which the saddle is mounted. Means guideways means guideways, it is a rotary table, it can be rotated and the column is supported. The column is vertical structure. Next part is the column. Column is a vertical structure integral with base. It houses the driving mechanism of the ram and feeding mechanism. The front face of the column is finished accurately to form guideways on which ram reciprocates. And third one is the table, rotary table. Rotary table is mounted on the top of the cross slide. It has a T slots or cut on the top face of the table for clamping the work. Rotation of the table facilitates to take circular cuts and to take number of workpieces can be slots. Means it has a because it has a rotary table, small components can be produced on the slots. Minimum 6 to 8 workpieces can be produced on a slots. Next one, saddle. It is mounted on the base and can be moved longitudinally on the guideways. Cross slide. It is mounted on the guideways of saddle. It is moved parallel to the face of the column, that is perpendicular to the guideways on the base. Ram. The ram reciprocates vertically in the guideways provided in front of the column. It supports the tool head at its bottom which carries the tool. The metal is cut during the downward stroke and return stroke. Return stroke means it is a upward stroke. Downward stroke is a cutting stroke, means forward stroke. Forward stroke and backward stroke means downward stroke is a cutting stroke and upward stroke is a return stroke. It relieves the tool so that no scratches are formed on finished surfaces. And in this mission, column is attached to the ram through the vertical direction, and tool head is also connected to the ram, and the tool also connected, and the rotary table has a rotary table means it is a rotator, and cross slide means it is moving moving from a depending on the workpiece sizes. Next, ram drive mechanism. The following driving mechanism are used in slaughter so as to complete the return, means ideal stroke faster than the cutting stroke. Ideal stroke is a return stroke. It can be faster than the cutting stroke. In this ram driving mechanism, these are the three types of driving mechanisms. First one, Whitworth quick return mechanism of a slaughter. Second one, variable speed reversible motor driving mechanism. Third one, hydraulic drive mechanism of a slaughter. First one, Whitworth quick return mechanism. Whitworth quick return mechanism is used in medium size slotting mission. And second one, motor driving mechanism is provided for large missions. The drive is similar to slider crank chain mechanism for shaper. Hydraulic drive mechanism is employed for precision on work on slaughter. This drive is same as shaper except the cylinder is in vertical position. The smooth action in hydraulic drive results improved surface finish. And feed mechanisms. In a slaughter, the feed is provided by a rotary table. The work may be fed in the following directions, that is the longitudinal, cross and circular. These are the explanation of feed mechanism in these types. First one is the longitudinal. Work mounted on the table is fed perpendicular to the column towards or away from its face. Cross. Work mounted on table is fed parallel to the column face. Circular. Work mounted on the table is rotated on vertical axis. The feed movement may be given either manually or power. The manual feed is given by rotating the individual feed screws. The power feed mechanism the mission which produces flat surfaces. A ram holding the tool reciprocates. Ram reciprocates in vertical direction. Work is fed perpendicular to the tool. This slaughter mission working principle: cutting tool repeats travels along line A to B, that is the vertical direction. Cutting tool means ram. Ram also connected to the tool head, and the tool head is also connected to the ram. Then ram is moved from downwards to upwards and upwards to downwards. It is a reciprocates movements in vertical direction. Forward stroke is a cutting stroke, means it is a downward direction is a cutting stroke, and upward stroke is a ideal stroke. that is no cutting stroke. Work is feed a small distance each time, and cutting stroke and return stroke is a speedily goes to faster than the cutting stroke. Feed of work and line of tool motion are in same plane but perpendicular. Working principle: the tool line eventually reaches position C to D, means vertical direction. Combination of two movements results in the flat plane ABCD being missioned. Work is supported on a rotary table. The table can have longitudinal and rotary movements. Straight and rotary cuts can be produced. Classification of slaughter mission: according to design and purpose, the slaughters are classified into two types: punch slaughter, precision to room slaughter. First one is the punch slaughter, intended for removing the large amount of metal from heavy works. Heavy and rigid mission: it is a heavy mission, and rigid mission means it is a strong mission because it is mounted on the floor to control the vibrations, and it is removing the large amount of material for heavy cuts or heavy works. Ram driven by rack and spiral pinion mechanism, used for machining, large casting and forging. Ram of punch slaughter is driven by rack and pinion. Okay. Next topic is the precision slaughter. In these types of slaughters, it is a light in construction. It is used for tool room work, where accuracy important, lighter in construction, because small cutting action in this, accuracy is very important. For material is removed lighter. Fitted with a quick return mechanism. Fitted is a quick return mechanism means forward stroke is a cutting stroke, and return stroke is a ideal stroke. Ideal stroke is faster than the cutting stroke, means downward direction. Upward stroke is fast than the downward direction. That is the ideal stroke. It is a quick return mechanism, operates at high speeds and designed for light cuts. This machine is also designed for a light cuts, to remove a light material to get a accurate finish. Suitable for small to medium size workplaces. It is suitable for this mission is suitable for light works and medium works. It is not suitable for heavy works. Difference in vertical shaper and slaughter. Shaper and slaughter. Just a minute. Okay. In vertical shaper, the tool holding ram can tilt by about 5 degrees with respect to vertical axis. Vertical shaper, the tool holding ram in vertical position, tool holding the ram, and shaper, tool holding the ram with horizontal direction. In this mission vertical direction, ram can tilt by about 5 degrees with respect to vertical axis to require a change an angle, to require an just movements of the tilting, just vibration of the tilting. In slaughter, ram cannot tilt at all. In the slaughter mission, ram cannot tilt at. In all other aspects, vertical shaper and slaughter are similar. And the slaughter mission, slaughter specifications also very important in this mission. And slaughter mission is very important. Explain the working principle of slaughter, and the components also very important, and the figure also very important. Sometimes asking to 50% of marks for theory and figure, and sometimes asking to a short question, list out the components of slaughter. Just asking, list the classification of slaughter. What is the classification of slaughter in this mission? In this of slaughter mission, classifications. What is the classification of slaughter mission? Working principle of just a minute. Classifications and specifications is very important. Slotting mission are specified by the maximum length of stroke, and the following data should also be furnished specifications: diameter of table, range of stroke, amount of feed, number of speeds and feeds, HP of motor, floor space required. That is the slaughter sizes. And slaughter tools are also very important. What is the difference between vertical shaper and slaughter? Vertical shaper and slaughter is also very important. Shaper and slaughter mission. Shaper and slaughter mission differences: vertical direction and horizontal direction. These are the directions also very important. And the just a minute. And the slaughter tools also very important in the mission. And working of a slaughter and planer and shaper is the differences is very important for a asking to examination, mainly examination. And the planer mission to producing a flat surfaces on the workpiece. And slaughter means it has a slots to insert to the keys, and slots to producing a grooves, slots, irregular shapes. That is the types of slaughters. And slaughter tools is a single point cutting tool, and planer tools also single point cutting tool. Is the main difference slaughter and planer. Planer mission is a ram moves horizontal direction, and slaughter mission is a ram moves vertical direction. In this mission is the same. Which one is the same? quick return mechanism is the same in those missions, slaughter mission and planar mission. Slaughter mission workpiece is fixed and planar mission is cutting tool is a fixed and the work table is a rotary motion and vertical direction it has a rotary table to producing a slots for number of slots minimum 6 to 8 workpieces can be producing. This is the some differences, and these types of questions also asking. And slots operations missioning a flat and cylindrical surfaces. In this missioning rectangular slots, keyways and grooves. Missioning irregular surfaces and cam profiles. Missioning blind holes also. In these types of questions is very important. That is some types of essay question. Draw a line diagram of Slater and indicate its main parts on it. Sometimes, and other question is the explain the principle of Whitworth quick return mechanism of slaughter. These types of questions asking to for essay question, and write the function of all the parts of slaughter with a line diagram. These types of asking to different types of questions, and slaughter mechanism also important, and the construction features is very important. For working principle also very important. This working principle to reciprocating type, which the ram holding tool reciprocates in vertical axis and the work is supported on a rotary table which is mounted by the reciprocating moments of the vertical ram. The rotary and longitudinal movements of table permit the workpiece to be positioned and feed for straight line and rotary cuts. It is usually adapted for missioning holes, keyways and grooves. This is the working principle of slaughter. Must note it. Thank you.